Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is your owner bookkeeper Fazan. In today's short video lesson, I'm going to teach you amortization of intangible assets. Right, okay, so we have got these following intangible assets: patents, goodwill, franchises, trademarks. Right, these are all our, can say, intangible assets. The patent was purchased on January 1st, 2021 and has a 10-year life. The franchise was purchased on July 1st, 2021 and has a 12-year life. The goodwill and trademarks have an unlimited life. Before continuing this question, before calculating this question, I would like to tell you that the intangible assets who have unlimited life, we don't calculate the amortization. They don't amortize. But the intangible assets who has limited life, who have limited life, we amortize them, right? We don't amortize unlimited life intangible assets. We only amortize uh, limited life tangible and intangible assets. Understand? So what is the goodwill and trademark? For example, the goodwill and trademarks have an unlimited life, and normally we do not amortize goodwill. Okay, yeah, it is impaired. Goodwill is impaired on a yearly basis, right? First of all, we have to test the impaired. First of all, we have to do an impairment test on goodwill, because goodwill can't be depreciated nor amortized. Can't be depreciated nor amortized, right? So we have to. I'm talking about the goodwill. So let's calculate, ladies and gentlemen. So the best way is, as you know, the formula is, let's calculate the patent first. For patent, what we need to do is, sorry, for patent we need to do calculate the depreciation formula. What is the depreciation formula? Straight line method. Straight line depreciation cost. What is the cost? Cost is patents 4,50,000, right? 4,50,000. And then salvage value, there is no salvage value, right? Salvage value is 0, and the life of the patent is 10 years. Understand? So we just calculated the yearly, you can say. So this is our patent amortization, right? Amortization expense. Patent amortization expense. We have for patent amortization yield. Understand? So of, you can say, December 31st, 2021. Yes, December 31st, 2021, because we purchased on 1st of July. Understand? So now I want to depreciate, I want to amortize the franchise, but remember the July 1st, right? So we have to remember it is July 1st. So how many months? First we need to calculate July, August, September, October, November, the 6 months of the amortization, right? So franchise amortization expense, franchise amortization expense, amortization expense. What will be the SLN? Again, the same formula. Cost. What is the cost? Cost of the franchises is 6 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No salvage value. Life is 12. But the problem is that divided by uh, first, what we need to do, we need to calculate the year, right, ladies and gentlemen? So 12 divided by, you can say it's for 6 months. So instead of applying the formula, we are just calculating directly, which is franchises 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by, we have year which are 12. Okay, then we have to multiply by how many years? 6 months, right? Multiply by 6, divide by 12. So we will calculate the 6 months depreciation till December 31st. December 31st, 2021. Understand? Now let's make the adjusting entries. How we make the adjusting entry? Let me show you how you can make the adjusting entry. It's very simple to make the adjusting entry, ladies and gentlemen. It's particulars, particulars, assets, sorry, debit and credit. Let me remove this side. We don't need it. Right, ladies and gentlemen. So, what we do? Yeah, amortization expense debit, amortization expense debit, and what will be credit? Patents and franchise. Right, ladies and gentlemen. We don't need to write uh, allowance for amortization. Normally in depreciation, what we do? Depreciation expense debit, accumulated depreciation credit, or in other words, we just credit the asset. But here we don't need to use, it's compulsory that we don't need to use the, you can say, accumulated amortization, right? Just amortization expense, credit, patents and franchise. Understand, ladies and gentlemen? Amortization expense is total 45,000 plus 25,000. Let me add it. 45,000 plus 25,000. Right, 70,000. Patents is 45,000 and franchise is 25,000. Understand? So that's how you do this. Understand, ladies and gentlemen? December 31st. Yeah, I just forget to wait a second. It's date. So we are just calculating the December 31st, 2021. So this is the way you can record the calculate and record the amortization for the next 10 years and franchise for the next 12 years. Understand? So that's how you calculate. I hope you understood how to calculate and how to record the amortization. But normally I just need to tell you that don't, even if it isn't written here the goodwill, about the goodwill, we can't amortize goodwill. We only do impairment test at the end of the year, whether we should impaired or not, whether the goodwill will be impaired or not, right? Otherwise we can't depreciate nor amortize the goodwill. So I hope you understood the lesson, ladies and gentlemen. I will meet you in the next videos. Take care. Allah Hafiz.